Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video, we're going to make a batch of butter pecan cake mix cinnamon rolls topped with a salted caramel cream cheese buttercream. It's the ultimate indulgent treat, ideal for breakfast, dessert, or a comforting afternoon snack. Now take a minute to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any delicious recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need for the cinnamon rolls. 4½ teaspoons of yeast, 2½ cups of warm water, 1 butter pecan cake mix, 5½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 beaten eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of softened butter, 2 cups of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. For the salted caramel cream cheese glaze, you'll need 1/2 cup of softened butter, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of caramel ice cream topping, 1/2 teaspoon of coarse salt, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 to 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. First, combine the warm water and the yeast and let them sit while you prepare the dry ingredients. Combine the cake mix, flour, and salt in the bowl of a stand mixer. Slowly add the yeast mixture, beaten eggs, and vanilla to the dry ingredients and knead the dough for 4 to 5 minutes. Place the dough in a greased bowl and loosely cover with plastic wrap. Let it rise for 45 to 60 minutes until it doubles in size. Remove the plastic wrap and punch down the dough. Place the dough on a floured surface and roll it into a rectangle about 1/4 inch thick. Spread the softened butter over the entire surface of the dough, then sprinkle with brown sugar and cinnamon. Roll the dough tightly into a large roll. Cut the roll into 24 pieces and divide them between 2 greased 9x13 baking dishes. Bake the cinnamon rolls at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. While the cinnamon rolls are baking, beat the softened butter until it is nice and fluffy. Add the softened cream cheese and beat on low until combined. Slowly increase the speed until the mixture is fluffy. Add the caramel, vanilla, and salt, then beat the mixture more. Gradually add the powdered sugar and beat until combined. Spread the frosting over the top of the cinnamon rolls while they are still warm. Sprinkle the chopped pecans over the frosted cinnamon rolls. I hope you love these butter pecan cinnamon rolls as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at mommymouthclubhouse.com. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!